In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a shipping label in Shopify. Whether you're new to e-commerce or just getting to know the ins and outs of Shopify, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive into it. First, we'll begin by locating the order for which you need to create a shipping label. To do this, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Orders section. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Scroll through your list or use the search function to find the specific order you're looking to ship. Clicking on that order will bring up the order details, showing you all the pertinent information you'll need, like customer details and the ordered items. Before moving forward, remember that Shopify allows you to handle orders individually or in bulk. If you have multiple orders to process, this feature will be a huge time saver. You can select several orders simultaneously, streamlining your workflow and helping you manage your time more effectively. But for today, we'll keep things simple and focus on shipping just one order. With the order details open, you'll see an option to create shipping label. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to the shipping section, where you need to verify the details for the shipment. The first thing you want to check is the shipping weight. Accurate measurements ensure that you pay the correct postage and avoid any potential surcharges. Make sure the package weight matches what's listed. If not, adjust it accordingly. Next, you'll need to choose your package type. Different package types can affect shipping rates, so it's essential to select the option that best fits your item's size and weight. Whether it's an envelope, a small box, or something more substantial, double-check to make sure it's the right choice. Now it's time to choose the shipping service you want to use. Shopify provides various service options, from economy to express delivery, each with different pricing and delivery times. Consider the needs of your customer and your budget when making this choice. After you've selected a service, ensure everything looks correct: your shipping details, the service chosen, and the associated costs. When you're satisfied with all these details, click the button to purchase the label. Once the payment process is completed, Shopify will generate the shipping label for you. Download and print this label using your preferred printer. If you're dealing with many orders regularly, consider investing in a dedicated label printer to save time and effort. Finally, attach the printed label securely to your package. It's crucial that it's clear and legible, with no folds or creases that could obstruct the barcode or address. Once that's done, your package is ready to be shipped. You can drop it off at your nearest postal service location, or schedule a pickup if that's available in your area. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to buying a shipping label in Shopify. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you're now more confident in handling your orders. Happy shipping!